What do you mean sizophuma phandle sichole amaphepha ngenxa yenimba? Guys, siyagoa akhondo nje isihambela kakuhle. Kuwo wonke ke lo mgowo, I don't want you to be completely in the dark about what's coming up this November in Inimba. So here are the teasers. Hello, hi, welcome. I am Simi Sotashe, your chomi that is always ready to spill the tea. No fear of Evahane. So make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos I upload. Coming up on Inimba, Monday, 3 November. Old wounds refuse to heal as Zoleka and Lazarus fight for calm. Hlati's temper tests Thumeka's strength, and Qhawe stands between family and ambition. One wrong move threatens to reopen scars no one's ready to face. 4 November. A knock at the door changes everything for Zoleka. Lazarus prepares for battle while Onga draws a harsh line with Qhawe. Secrets are surfacing and someone's running out of room to hide. 5 November. Control slips through Hlati's hands as Thumeka finally pushes back. Zoleka and Lazarus take a bold stand to protect their own. But at Khusela, Qhawe's determination sparks a storm she can't contain. 6 November. The lines between love and loyalty blur for Thumeka and Hlati. Zoleka's resolve is tested when the past knocks at her door. And at Khusela, ambition becomes the most dangerous game of all. 7 November. Zoleka refuses to bend under pressure as Hlati plays dirty. Lazarus faces a truth he can't escape. Qhawe's humiliation forces her to choose between pride and power. 10 November. Pressure mounts as Hlati crosses a line even Thumeka can't ignore. Zoleka takes charge when family loyalty is put to the test. And at Khusela, sparks between Qhawe and Onga threaten to ignite something bigger. 11 November. Zoleka and Lazarus make a bold move that shakes Hlati's world. Tensions explode in the Mabandla household as old wounds resurface. And Onga's words leave Qhawe questioning her worth and her place. 12 November. The truth about Hlati's past finally comes to light. And it's uglier than anyone imagined. Nonceba's discovery threatens to destroy everything he's built. Meanwhile, Likamva turns to Zoleka and Lazarus, searching for the family he's never had. 13 November. Hlati's custody battle turns vicious as Zoleka refuses to be silenced. Lazarus fights to protect what's his, but the cost is higher than he expected. At Khusela, Qhawe proves she's not the type to be underestimated. 14 November. Hlati's war reaches breaking point, but Zoleka refuses to back down. Likamva calls out his parents for the damage they've caused, and Onga's cruel taunts push Qhawe to her limit. 17 November. Zoleka and Lazarus step into the spotlight at the African Global Innovation Summit. But just as they celebrate their triumph, a storm begins to brew. Not everyone is clapping for their success, and danger lurks in the applause. 18 November. A revelation at the summit rocks the entire room. Lazarus and Zoleka scramble to contain the fallout as allies shift in the shadows. And Lillian's new partnership with Sydney may cost her more than she knows. 19 November. The dust settles after the summit, but the damage runs deep. Zoleka faces public humiliation while Lazarus fights to regain control. Qhawe questions whether loyalty is worth the pain. 20 November. Lazarus and Zoleka's unity begins to crack under pressure. Hlati's anger spirals into something dangerous, and when hearts collide, one wrong word changes everything. 21 November. A heated confrontation pushes Hlati to do the unthinkable. Zoleka and Lazarus are blindsided by betrayal, and Qhawe's secret crush finally comes to light, but not the way she hoped. 24 November. Panic grips both families when a baby can't be found. Lazarus and Zoleka are forced to face their worst fears. But in the chaos, Hlati's next move proves he has nothing left to lose. 25 November. Zoleka vows that Hlati will answer for his sins, but even cornered, he refuses to surrender quietly. When the law steps in, there's no peace, only more cracks in the family foundation. 26 November. Zoleka and Lazarus celebrate a victory that feels hollow. Lillian's old feelings for Lazarus resurface when she least expects them, and Qhawe's attempt at love ends in a public heartbreak. 27 November. Hlati's absence leaves Thumeka lost between guilt and relief. Lazarus and Zoleka trying to move forward, but peace feels temporal, and a secret discovery threatens to reopen old wounds. 28 November. Hlati's return home isn't the reunion anyone imagined. Lillian crosses a line that could shatter everything that Zoleka's built, and Onga draws his boundaries with Qhawe, but his eyes tell a different story. Kusezoshuba, guys, there you have it. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel because I will be reviewing Inimba on a daily. I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.